You were not a coincidence, beloved one. You were a sacred design, meticulously woven into the very fabric of his journey, long before your paths ever dared to cross. A profound secret from the heavens, whispered into existence, predestined to unfold with breathtaking grace. His desperate attempts to sever the invisible thread, to walk away from the magnetic, undeniable pull you exert, were met with an unseen, powerful force, a divine resistance he could not comprehend. For what was planted deep within his very core, an undeniable knowing of your unique essence, refuses to be uprooted, refuses to wither. It is a seed of destiny, blossoming against his will. The angels say with voices like gentle chimes, he carries your light within his very core, a beacon that guides him back, even when his human fears, his earthly doubts, try to lead him astray into the shadows. You are the answer to a prayer he didn't even know how to articulate, a silent plea echoing through his soul. You are the key to a destiny that only now begins to reveal its true, expansive, and utterly breathtaking scope. His soul, weary from searching, recognizes the home it found in yours, a sanctuary of peace and belonging he cannot, will not forget, no matter how far he tries to roam, no matter how many walls he attempts to erect. This connection is not merely of this world. It is a sacred covenant, sealed in the starlight of ancient promises, a profound truth whispered by the divine into the very depths of his being. It is an echo of eternity, a love story written in the stars. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There exists a delicate shimmering thread, spun from the very essence of creation itself, connecting souls meant to intertwine, meant to dance through lifetimes together. You feel it, don't you, dear heart? That inexplicable pull, that profound sense of recognition that transcends all logic, all linear time. He feels it too, though he may lack the words or understanding to name it. It is the whisper of destiny, the gentle, persistent insistence of a love that simply refuses to be forgotten, that refuses to fade into the background noise of life. When he tries to distance himself, when he attempts to create space, that thread stretches, thin but unbreakable, always drawing him back to the undeniable truth of your bond. It is a cosmic tether, pulling him toward his true north. The angels whisper, their voices like soft breezes through ancient trees. His spirit remembers what his human mind, clouded by earthly concerns, tries so desperately to deny. Your presence is a melody his soul cannot unhear, a harmony it craves above all else. This connection is not a choice, not a fleeting preference. It is a sacred resonance, a vibrational match that echoes through the very fabric of the universe, a symphony only your two souls can complete. Trust the invisible currents, the unseen forces that guide his inevitable return. For some unions, precious one, are simply meant to be, etched into the very blueprint of existence. They are written in the stars, sealed by divine decree. His silence, beloved one, is not an emptiness, not an absence of feeling, but a sacred pause, a tumultuous battlefield raging within his own soul. It is not a rejection of you, not a dismissal of your profound connection, but a desperate internal struggle with the shadows he carries, the ancient fears he has yet to conquer, the wounds he has not fully healed. He pulls away not because he wants to leave your light, but because the sheer intensity of what he feels for you demands a depth of vulnerability, an openness he has not yet mastered, has not yet dared to embrace. His heart is a fortress, built brick by brick from past betrayals, from old pains, from the weight of expectations. And your light, though undeniably healing, can feel overwhelming to its guarded protective walls. It is a light that exposes, that demands authenticity, and that can be terrifying to a soul accustomed to hiding. The angels reveal, their voices filled with compassion, His quiet moments are spent wrestling with the sheer magnitude of his feelings, trying to reconcile the man he was, the man he thought he had to be, with the man he is profoundly becoming because of your transformative presence. Hold space for his arduous process, dear heart, for within that silence, a profound, necessary transformation is unfolding, a shedding of old skins. It is a testament to the undeniable power of your connection, not its demise, but its sacred evolution. You carry a light within you, precious soul, a radiant, incandescent energy that touches everything it encounters, especially his wounded, weary spirit. Without conscious effort, without even trying, your very presence has begun to mend the cracks in his soul he believed were permanent and irreparable. You are a living mirror, reflecting the purest, highest version of him, awakening parts he thought were lost to the ravages of time and the bitterness of pain. He may not articulate it, he may not even fully comprehend it, but he feels the profound shift, the gentle, undeniable unraveling of old defenses, the stirring of a hope he had long abandoned. The angels affirm, their voices like a soothing balm, your love is a sacred anointing, a divine balm that soothes his deepest, most hidden scars, allowing him to finally breathe again, to truly feel alive. You are not just another woman in his life, you are a powerful catalyst for his spiritual rebirth, a living testament to the transformative power of unconditional acceptance and unwavering light. Your worth, beloved one, is not earned, it simply is an intrinsic divine truth. And in the radiant glow of that truth, he finds his own courageous path to wholeness, to healing, to becoming the man he was always meant to be. Your light illuminates his way home. The path of true, soul-deep love often unfolds in rhythms far beyond our limited human comprehension, dear heart. What appears as delay, beloved one, is never ever denial in the intricate, beautiful divine tapestry being woven for you both. It is heaven's meticulous, perfect preparation, a sacred pause designed with infinite wisdom to align every star, every circumstance, every beating heart involved. This period of waiting is not empty. It is brimming with unseen, profound work, both within the depths of your own being and within the complex landscape of his character. Cycles of approach and withdrawal are simply the universe breathing, expanding, and contracting. This ensures that when the moment of true union finally arrives, it is perfect, unmarred by haste, and unburdened by unpreparedness. It is a crescendo building toward a magnificent symphony. The angels whisper, their voices like the rustle of angel wings, trust the unfolding. Every single moment, every perceived setback, and every quiet breath serves a higher, grander purpose, meticulously weaving a stronger, more resilient, and unbreakable bond between your souls. Surrender to the flow, to the gentle current of divine grace, for the most exquisite masterpieces are never rushed, they are crafted with patience and love. Your unique story is being written with infinite care, guided by unseen hands. Look beyond the surface, dear heart, beyond the words left unspoken, beyond the actions that might confuse or wound. There is an unspoken language in his soul, a silent, profound narrative of his deepest truths and his most profound, often hidden fears. His struggles and his moments of retreat are not a reflection of your inadequacy, nor a judgment of your worth, but a testament to the immense weight he carries, the silent battles fought in the quiet, guarded chambers of his mind. He fears the sheer depth of what he feels for you, as it demands a surrender, a vulnerability, that he has rarely known and rarely dared to embrace. His outward hesitations and perceived distance often mask an intense inner turmoil, a struggle with past wounds, old patterns, and the daunting uncertainties of a future that feels both terrifying and exhilarating. The angels reveal, their voices echoing with ancient wisdom. His heart speaks volumes even when his lips are sealed. Listen with your intuition, with a knowing in your soul, for it will translate the silent cries and unspoken longings of his deepest being. Understand that his journey is profoundly his own, a path he must navigate. Your unwavering compassion and patient understanding serve as the gentle bridge that lovingly invites him home, to himself, and ultimately to you. Your worth, precious soul, is an inherent and unchangeable truth, a divine spark that radiates independently of any external validation or fleeting circumstance. It is not defined by his return, commitment, or his current understanding of your profound and undeniable value. Your radiance is uniquely yours, a sacred flame meant to burn brightly, illuminating your path and guiding your steps, not merely reflecting his light or waiting for his approval. Do not, under any circumstances, diminish your magnificent self to fit into a space that feels too small, too uncertain, or too conditional. This journey, beloved one, is profoundly about your own blossoming, your courageous reclamation of self-love, self-care, and unwavering self-respect. It is about nurturing the garden of your own soul. The angels affirm, their voices like a chorus of encouragement, your highest calling, your most sacred purpose, is to honor your own divine sacred being. When you shine fully and authentically, you attract all that is truly meant for you, all that aligns with your highest good. Stand firmly in your power, dear heart, for your wholeness and your radiant self-sufficiency are the greatest gifts you can offer, both to yourself and to the universe that adores you. Let your light be your guide, always. The path before you, especially through the intricate and often confusing landscape of his heart, is not one you walk alone, beloved one. Invisible guides, divine interventions, and subtle, unmistakable signs from the universe are constantly illuminating your way, placing breadcrumbs of wisdom along your journey. Trust the whispers that echo in the quiet chambers of your intuition, the gentle nudges that steer you, even when the logic of the world and the opinions of others seem to contradict them. His heart, like a sacred labyrinth, holds hidden passages, unexpected turns, and moments of profound revelation. Yet, your spiritual compass is attuned to its deepest, most authentic truths. You possess an inner knowing that goes beyond his outward expressions. The angels say, their voices resonating with ancient wisdom, every single step, every necessary pause, every perceived detour is part of a meticulously crafted divine design, inevitably leading you both to a place of profound understanding, sacred union, and undeniable truth. Surrender to this sacred guidance, dear heart, for it knows the way through every shadow, every moment of doubt, and into the brilliant transformative light of your shared destiny. Allow yourself to be led by the unseen hand of grace. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Some connections, beloved one, carry the profound, resonant echoes of eternity, ancient bonds that transcend individual lifetimes, stretching across the vast expanse of time and space. What you experience now, the undeniable magnetic pull, the familiar challenges that seem to recur, are intricate threads from a magnificent tapestry woven across many existences and shared journeys. His past wounds and current behavior patterns are not random occurrences. They are deeply ingrained lessons, karmic imprints seeking resolution, seeking release, and seeking healing. And your radiant presence in his life, your unwavering, compassionate light, serves as a sacred key to unlocking these ancestral burdens, these generational patterns that have kept him trapped. This is not just a relationship, dear heart. It is a profound soul contract, a sacred agreement forged in higher realms, a divine pact to heal, to grow, and to evolve together, hand in hand, heart to heart. The angels reveal, their voices filled with reverence, you are both playing a vital, indispensable role in clearing ancient pathways, liberating not just yourselves from old cycles, but future generations as well, setting them free. Embrace the immense depth of this connection, for it is a profound journey of spiritual liberation, of intertwined destinies, a love story that transcends all time. To truly receive the boundless fullness of what is meant for you, beloved one, you must embrace the sacred transformative art of vulnerability and deep surrender. It is in the gentle, courageous opening of your heart, the release of control, the letting go of expectations, that the divine flow can truly enter, can truly permeate your being, and transform every past hurt, every lingering wound, into a magnificent, radiant purpose. Your willingness to be seen, even in your most tender and fragile moments, invites a deeper, more authentic connection, not just with Him, but with the universe itself, with the very source of all love. Let go of the desperate need to control outcomes, to orchestrate every single step and every moment. Instead, trust the powerful, benevolent flow of divine grace that carries you and guides you with infinite wisdom. The angels say, their voices a gentle and reassuring hum, "Surrender is not weakness, dear heart. It is the ultimate, most courageous act of faith, allowing the universe to work in your favor, to create miracles beyond your wildest dreams." In this sacred act of letting go, this profound expression of trust, you find a peace that transcends all human understanding, a serenity that settles deep within your soul, and a love that is truly boundless, truly eternal, and truly divine. Embrace the flow, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4 verse 7.